Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will crochet a very beautiful stitch pattern motif. To begin this beautiful crochet pattern, crochet 20 chain stitches. For row 1, skip the first 3 chain as they will count as the first double crochet. Crochet 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. Continue working 1 double crochet in each remaining chain across the row. At the end of row 1, you will have a total of 17 double crochet stitches, including the beginning chain 3. Chain 2, turn your work and prepare for row 2. Crochet 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. These stitches form the border stitch of the pattern. Now crochet 2 chain stitches. Skip the next 4 stitches and crochet 3 double crochet into the 5th stitch. Two chain stitches. In the same stitch, crochet 3 more double crochet stitches. This creates the first motif of the design. Crochet 2 chain stitches. To finish the row, crochet 1 double crochet in each of the last 4 stitches. These stitches form the border on the opposite side of the motif. At the end of the row, you will have a decorative motif in the center with double crochet borders on both sides. Because this is only a small sample, we are working 4 double crochet stitches at the beginning and 4 double crochet stitches at the end of the row as border. When making a larger project, these border stitches will serve as the spacing between motifs, allowing the pattern to be repeated across the width of the project. Now work 1 back post double crochet around each of the next 3 double crochet stitches from the previous row. You will have a total of 3 back post double crochet stitches. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. In the 2 chain space of the previous row, crochet 1 puff stitch. After completing the puff stitch, crochet 3 more chain stitches. Now work 1 back post double crochet around each of the next 3 double crochet stitches of the previous row. You will again have 3 back post double crochet stitches on this side of the motif. Once the motif section is complete, crochet the remaining 4 double crochet border stitches to finish the row. For row 4, crochet 2 chain stitches, then turn your work and begin by crocheting the border section as established in the previous rows. Now crochet 1 front post double crochet, 3 together over the group of 3 back post double crochet stitches from the previous row. This creates a neat cluster. Next, crochet 3 chain stitches. In the first 3 chain space of the previous row, crochet 1 puff stitch. Now move to the next 3 chain space and crochet 1 more puff stitch in 3 chain space. You should now have 2 puff stitches positioned between the front post clusters. After the second puff stitch, crochet 3 chain stitches. Now work together front post DC 3 together over the next group of 3 back post double crochet stitches from the previous row. The central motif section is now complete. Finish the row by crocheting the remaining border stitches as established. At the end of the row 4, the motif begins to take shape with the puff stitches forming the decorative center and the front post cluster creating a beautiful textured frame around it. For row 5, crochet 2 chain stitches and turn your work. Begin by crocheting the border section as established in the previous rows. Now crochet 5 chain stitches. Locate the space between the 2 puff stitches from the previous row and work 1 single crochet in the center between them. Next, crochet 5 chain stitches. Continue by working the remaining border stitches as usual to complete the row. At the end of row 5, a delicate chain arch is formed above the puff stitches, giving the motif a light and airy appearance. For row 6, work 2 chain stitches. Turn your work and begin by crocheting the border section as usual. Now crochet 5 chain stitches. Locate the single crochet stitch between the 2 puff stitches from the previous row. Into this stitch work 1 treble crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 treble crochet 4 together. These stitches will form the foundation on which we will build our flower motif. We will now work around these stitches in a circular manner. Start with the last treble crochet and crochet 6 single crochet stitches around the post of that stitch. Next, move to the first treble crochet and crochet 6 single crochet stitches around its post. Now move to the third stitch, which is the double crochet, and crochet 4 single crochet stitches around the post. Then crochet 4 single crochet stitches around the second double crochet. Working around the stitch posts in this order creates a beautiful spiral effect in the center of the motif. From the inner edge of the flower, begin working your way back towards the starting point. Crochet 3 chain stitches and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat 3 chain stitch, 1 single crochet as you follow the spiral path back towards the center, working in the same spiral direction that you used when forming the flower. Continue until you reach the starting point of the motif. The best thing about this pattern is that it combines a beautiful spiral flower with a delicate lace structure. Whether you use it in clothing, accessories, or home decor, it instantly adds elegance, texture, and handcrafted charm to your project. With just one pattern, you can create countless beautiful crochet items and customize them to suit any style or occasion. Join with slip stitch to complete the spiral flower. After joining, crochet 5 chain stitches. Now work the remaining 4 double crochet border stitches to complete the row. At the end of row 6, a beautiful spiral flower motif is formed in the center of the design, creating an elegant decorative element that can be used in blouses, shawls, table runners, scarves, and many other crochet projects. Turn your work and begin by crocheting the border section as usual. Work across the border stitches until you reach the motif section. In the first 5 chain space from the previous row, crochet 4 double crochet stitches. Next, crochet 1 double crochet in the center stitch of the motif. Now work 4 more double crochet stitches in the next 5 chain space. The flower motif is now framed between the double crochet groups and the pattern returns to its original stitch count, counting by crocheting the remaining border stitches to complete the row. And have a total of 17 double crochet stitches just as in row 1. The motif is now fully completed and ready for the next repeat of the pattern. This means you can continue by repeating rows 2 through 7 to create a longer fabric for blouses, shawls, scarves, table runners, cushion covers, and many other crochet projects. This elegant flower motif pattern is extremely versatile and can be used in many crochet projects to enhance their beauty and create a unique handmade look. Thank you for watching. Happy crocheting!